changed its value from maximum minimum. Maximum value to 44,000 and its minimum value to 0. Then slider step is 15%. Here is the text box. It again represents the value which was in slider. Place this value in the text box. And there are two axes. Plot the axis from here and change its characteristics. Now to code this value project, simply when you save any of your file to anywhere, like here, it will develop the background code and functionality for all of the components that you have added in your GUI, right? So I have added two sliders and it has developed the simple code, right? Now I will show you my project which I have developed. In this I have used, like here I have used two sliders, two text boxes. So this code represents slider 1, callback slider 1, slider 1 callback and slider 2 callback. The functionality which you want to perform with your GUI, all these functionality you have to code in the callback command function of your tool. Like for slider, you have slider 1 underscore callback. We simply code this as slider value is equals to get value, right? I have already set its maximum and minimum value and step size. Now whatever the value which is in slider, set this value into the value of the edit box, and any of the value. For the time delay, I have set the value from 0 to 30 seconds. So wherever the value of slider will be, it will be displayed in the edit box, and at the same time this value will be given to this function signal wave record, and then it will process and play this. And these are the two lines that shows plot. This will plot the original signal and this term will plot the signal that is filtered. Now for the same functionality for the slider 2, in its callback we have called this as slider 2 value, and in slider 2 value I have simply put the value from which I have taken from 0 to 44,000 as described previously, and its step size also. It will set this value to the value in the edit box, and at the same time by giving this value, we, as it is for changing the frequency, so we have provided this in the wave play here, slider 2 value. So as user change the value of the slider, it will update this value in the over here and then start playing. Again it will also plot the original signal and the filtered signal, right? Here is the this is the simple code, and by saving it and running it, we will give our graphical user interface. Now this by using these simple steps we have changed the frequency and also the time at real time. Thank you so much.